Okay, so you can see what we're doing here. I'm just giving her like a really slanted look to create this kind of like really clustered at the forehead design on this cornrow. So the trick to that is when you're doing the very first strand, you really angle your hand really way up as close to the forehead as possible. So that goes down and then curves out, and then the next one starts to slant, and that's it. So this is me starting a new one on this side. So straight line across, hand slanted really high up as far as you can go, taking consideration for the forehead, and then you start to slant your hand down. And remember this part, so she's got quite a bit of hair on the side, and you turn your hand in and then bring it back out. So you get like a curved look right here. See that? And then it comes out. So now you're ready to create your slanted cornrow.